Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Logitech headset to Xbox One. Let's go. Open Logitech website. Find your wireless headset. Checking the compatibility of your headsets. Light speed. What does it mean? The connection is made via the Lightspeed adapter. Connect the adapter to the Xbox. Turn on the parent mode on the headsets and on the adapter. That connection will be made automatically. 3.5 wired option. You can connect headphones via the controller. Bluetooth. If you use a smart TV, you can connect your headsets to the TV and the sound from Xbox will go into the headsets. That's it. Now you know how to connect Logitech headset to Xbox One. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.